Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am having close to 16 plus years of experience in Devops, SRE and DevSecOps. I have worked with more than 12 software organizations around the globe. I would like to introduce you all a Devops School's flagship certification program in Devops, SRE and DevSecOps. This program will get started in the weekends, so get enrolled. Please contact us on the phone number given on the screen, and in fact you can email us on the contact@devopsschool.com. So this is the one group which is called web group and DB group. This is custom group. I created it. But there is Ansible has an inbuilt group also. We call it a default group. And the default group we call all. That means you can write here all also. All means any guess? All means
for everything, right?
yeah. All the machines of inventory file. All means all. Simple. Then you will say, Rajesh, okay, fine, that is all means okay, but I don't want to install these modules in all the machines. I want to have only two machines. So how do I do that? No problem, let's create a group in this inventory file, square bracket web and dv. This is you have a group, this file. This is the two machine of web group, two machine of dv group. So now you can use, instead of all, here you can use web and div. Simple, it's very simple, correct? No?
So we just mention the which group it belongs to. Just as a square bracket, we just say this is the web group, this is a DB group.
That's
So
all.
those
That's
machines.
all.
Okay.
That's all. So I will ask one question to Peter. Okay, tell me, what is this? What is this? Or anyone else would like to answer?
Database.
No, I mean it's a group or what?
This doesn't look. I mean, to be having it as a group, we need to have it in square brackets, right? So this one,
Yeah, yeah. What is this?
this is like an IP address, but somewhere
Yeah,
stored
it's a
somewhere.
host name. Just now
Host name.
someone said no. This is a host name. Don't get confused. So this is a host name. This is the IP address. This is the group. Okay, mind it. So here you can write a DNS name, host name, whatever you wanna write. Okay, so let's recap this stuff. So we understand that at a high level, Ansible you use for the configuring multiple servers. It can be used for deployment also. And when you install Ansible, you get all this stuff. You need to
Uh,
write a playbook. That is your job. Okay, how to write a playbook, I'll show you this. Then you need to have inventory and a list of IP addresses. It can be grouped also, and subfield. So this is something which you have. So now I'll start showing you the demo. So let's
so
have
one
a
question,
one.
right? In you're creating this, file, and when we have like host names and IP addresses, that it's assumed that they're all in the same network. That
Yeah,
from where we are, we can see those.
right. Same network, it should be connected from ACS. See that image, no? ACS should directly able to connect this.
Right.
Okay, so this is the one. So now let's get started. So what I'm going to do, I am going to use this machine and create one clone and call it ACS full clone. And there is one more machines I want to create, clone ARS. Okay.
Hello, Rajesh.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, tell me.
Is it a full clone you're doing?
Yeah, full clone.
Okay.
So ACS start So this is the first we'll install the Ansible inside ACS. And username is root, password is Rajesh123. Okay, so now this is the machine. So get IP address. It's 25. Yeah. So go to putty. One 192.168.1.25 and root Rajesh123. Apply. So clear the screen. Okay. So now I need to install Ansible for this. So what to do? So Ansible Python is installed by default. Python version 2.7.5. It is good if you have a 3.0, but for this demo that's more than sufficient. So Ansible, uh, Ansible, and go to my blog and just write Ansible install. Ansible install. So now this is the how to install Ansible CentOS. This is the one you can use it for this is the one. This is the PUI using the PUI. You can also this is if you're using 3 then pip 7 you need 2.7. So this is the way to remove the Python pip, downloading the latest one, and this is something which you do. Okay. Tower you don't need to do that. This is the my documents. Now if you want to use official documents also, Ansible installations, click here, and this is the official documents. You should check this here. So these are the pip prerequisite, and this is the control node which I said control server, right? So this is has to be Linux, and here they're using Python 3. Okay, so you can upgrade that to the Python 3 also. So Python upgrade Python 3 something. See, uh, this you can try this one here. This is the way you can try install this. Okay, so it's up to you which method you want to get started with it. I'll just go with one of the method. Installation is not a challenge. Just go with one of the method. So this one I'll go for it. So I'm installing it. It's taking time. Done. Now I'm going to download this. and then run this command. And after that run this and this commands update. I'll skip it because it will waste 5-7 minutes of mine. In CentOS update is consuming lots of time. In Ubuntu it is faster. I don't need update, that's the reason I didn't run.
Hello, Rajesh.
Yeah,
Why do you, after cloning the CentOS 7, you connect a putty to it? Can't you go direct to the CentOS
yeah, I can go
7?
direct, but directly I can work here, but it's so irritating. No, copy paste will not happen, and lots of flexibility you have with the putty, you don't have it here, right? So
Okay,
that's the
okay,
reason. Putty is
okay,
a friendly tool. Nothing. There's
okay,
no other reasons.
okay. So it means that you have to know the CentOS 7 IP address, then you put it in a putty.
That's correct. Yeah.
Okay. And then what else again?
Yeah.
No, no,
After
no.
that,
I'm
you do
saying,
whatever. After that,
okay,
whatever you do with the Linux command, you can work with it. Putty is
okay,
just like a client to connect to the Linux machine using SSH protocol.
okay. The other time too, I saw you were using a Git bash.
That is also client. Git bash is client, putty is client, mova is
Okay,
client, remote ng is client. Depends on which
okay,
one you like it.
okay,
So
okay,
for the training I use putty, but for the production use I use mova or remote ng. Sometimes I use git bash also because coloring you get it very nice over there. But
okay,
my git bash I've stopped using from last 1 month because of this is becoming slow. I mean some cache issues there in the git bash, so I have to upgrade it
okay,
and clean the some cache.
okay.
Yeah, so almost installation is done. So that's taking a little time today. Not sure why. Usually it will be done in few seconds actually.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.